Here are the details in detailing. And this is a Mercedes S-Class we covered with paint protection film straight from the dealership 1 year ago. Like a clear coat, the PPF surface gets contaminated, so we gently cleaned and polished all bodywork parts in order to make it look like new again. Using a wide range of tools and pads, we made sure that all areas are properly taken care of. Regarding the interior, we protected all displays and piano black trims, followed by deep cleaning and color transfer protection for all leather elements. To ensure an easy clean and long-lasting shine, we applied Nanolex Si3D Max ceramic coating on PPF and rims. To keep in touch with our upcoming projects, follow DYC Garage channels on social media.